Hi guys. So this video is meant to provide a guide to how you're going to complete today's assignment for the Asynchronous Friday. I'm still available through GoGuardian and Remind and email if you need to reach me, but this video should clarify how to complete the assignment. So you will go to Google Classroom and open up this assignment. You'll see the focus is research. The directions start with, below are some examples that were given in the article of things that impact high school graduation rates. You have participating in sports, after-school study halls, upper class mentors, those Saturday sessions, Link Crew, which is an example of transition programs, and then there was a section about parents. So the article discussed these different ways in which schools are trying to get their ninth grade students to be more successful. So what you will do is pick one of these and further research. The reason you're picking one is because next week when you start your essay, you will write an essay about what schools should do for their freshmen to help them improve and make sure they graduate. So you have these different topics to pick from. So you will select one and type it in this box here where it says choose one topic, and you'll type it in here. So I'm going to pick a topic that isn't on there so that I don't provide too much assistance. So I decided to pick providing freshmen with financial rewards, like for example, paying freshmen to do well, which is something that some schools have tried. So now that I've selected my topic, the following directions say research this topic in regards to what impact it has on increasing graduation rate. So it's not just informational, but you have to also see, does it work? Does it actually increase those graduation rates? So it's going to be a process of researching. So you have to pick at least 3 different websites, and you're going to insert the links here and then add some key information that you found. And then at the end, you're going to summarize. So I'm going to do one to provide an example. So because I picked money, you can start with something simple like money and freshman year. This is pretty broad. You'll see that I get a lot of different results. I'm getting rules for saving money in college, college freshmen. So I'm getting college freshman instead of high school. So I'm going to change it to high school freshman year. And once again, I'm not really getting what I want, which is paying freshmen to do well in school. So let me reword this. I'm going to put financial rewards for high school freshmen. So it looks like there's incentives for high school kids, giving students cash for grades. So this looks like it's going to get me started with something. So it's from a pretty reputable source, US News. It is a .com website, but perhaps it has some good information. So you're going to scroll through the article that you find, and you're going to really think, what is this article saying about that topic? And is there anything about whether the graduation rates improved as a result? So I just spent about 5 minutes looking through this article. It didn't take too long. I was able to see that they're focusing on a couple of different students, the reason why they're doing it. There's some information about the person who decided they wanted to try this out. And so, for example, here I'm seeing that they're giving us details of how much money they're offering their students. So this could be a key detail. And remember, if this article seems to be pretty good so far, so I'm going to take that link and I'm just hitting Control C and I'm gonna paste it here. So far I know it's going to give me some information, so I am going to use it. So like I said here, it's telling me how they will pay the students, right? So $50 for an A, $35 for a B, and so forth. but I do want more information about graduation and what's happening with that. So there's a sentence here that says it's too soon to tell whether this incentive program will have lasting effects. So it looks like this is something that there weren't any results because it was too early to tell, but there is a quote lower. Um, there's a section where it says that the students right here, recess students she has spoken with directly seem enthusiastic about capital gains, adding that she has heard the same of students in the district so far. Students can up to 100. Okay, so I'm going to take this quote because I feel like it's pretty important. It may not show that the graduation rates are increasing, but it's showing enthusiasm. And of course, if you really want to, you can kind of jump back on this topic and see if they've updated to see what else happened. So that's one example of a link. Like I found the article, I found some information, I pasted it there. And I also took some time to read through the article to figure out what it's saying. So if you're also having trouble finding articles, a big impact is how you're searching. Um, so I gave you one example. I think I typed in financial rewards for freshmen. Now let me simplify it even more. Paying students to get good grades. So by changing the wording, I got different results. So here there's another article. This is a .org website, so it's going to be a little more reputable. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on it, read through it, see what it's saying, but also specifically what was the result in relation to graduation rates. I'm going to take the link, paste it, get some key information, and then summarize. And that's pretty much what you're doing today. So what's going to take the longest time is searching for the articles and really finding those key details. But I hope this video helped you understand how to complete this assignment. Please submit it by the end of the day today.